focus into the displacement vector. So let's say if A has a coordinates A. So let's say you have here this point, this is point A, and it says that point A is 3, -2, 4, and then you have a point B, and point B is 5, -3, 2. And then you have here, for example, from A, this is your point B, and the question is find AB. So meaning to say, from A, you're gonna go to B. So for you to be able to find vector AB, there are two ways to do it, or actually based from your IGCSE, that is AO plus vector OB. Alright? Or since AO is equal to the negative of OA, so therefore this is the same as negative OA plus OB. We have vectors, or that is actually equal to OB minus OA. Please remember this pattern that AB is equal to OB minus OA. And let's apply this one. Our vector OB is 5, -3, 2. So 5, -3, 2. Minus our vector OA is -3, it's +3, this one, +3, -2, 4, and that is now equal to 5 minus 3 is 2, -3 minus -2 is -1, 2 minus -4 is -2. So this is now our vector AB. Okay, so very simple. Just remember, OB is equal to AB is equal to OB minus OA. Okay, please remember this one. The BA here, if you're looking for BA, please remember that BA is the negative of AB. So basically, if that is your AB going there, the BA is actually going to this direction. Okay, it's not that perfect. So therefore, the AB or the BA is equal to the negative of this. So that's going to be -2, 1, and you have +2. Alright, close bracket. Let's try to have these examples here, or this question, and write down using unit vector notation the displacement form. So you need to write into unit vector notation the displacement form, and I will just do letter C. Okay, so again, let's say that your point A is 1, 0, -2, and your point B is equal to 2, 3, -1. So the position vector of OA is this one. Alright, you have there 1, 0, -2, and the position vector of OB is equal to 2, 3, -1. So therefore, you're looking for displacement form. Okay, so let's from A to B, it says there 2, no? So from this point to this point, so let's look for AB. So again, AB is equal to OB, 2, 3, -1, minus OA, 1, 0, -2, which will give you 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 0 is 3, -1 plus 2 is equal to 1, and it says their displacement vector notation, unit vector notation. So that is now equal to I plus 3j plus k. Okay, so that's the answer to this one. The diagram shows a rectangle. Okay, before I proceed to number 4, I think let's just go to number 6, letter D. So let's try to do this part. So again, you are looking for AB and BA using the vector notation. So again, let's say that is A, that is B here. So let's find AB. and the AB is equal to vector OB minus vector OA. And then your vector OB is TTT. So let me just use TTT. Okay? And then you have there minus OA. Minus OA, and that is T plus 2 and 2T and minus T. Okay? So therefore OB minus OA, I'll just write it down. So everything, so that's going to be T minus 2 and T minus 2T, and you have there T plus T, or equal now to negative 2, negative T, and 2T. And then it says in unit vector notation, so that's negative 2i minus, then that's going to be minus tj plus 2t vector k. Alright, this one is just the same. Okay, so let's go to this. Oh, the BA. It says there the BA. For the BA, is just simply take the negative of this one. So basically you can just say BA is equal to negative of vector AB. Therefore, the BA is equal to the negative of 2i minus tj plus 2tk. So that's going to be plus 2i plus tj minus 2tk. So that's the answer to BA. This is just the same. I think number 7 is easy, and this is just the same as well.